Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. I think that anyone who films content knows that it's always helpful to have an extra set of hands when you're filming. Well, this KamiSafe auto face tracking tripod is that steady-handed partner that you'll want to have when you're filming. This tripod is super lightweight, it breaks down to be very compact, and I can set it up in just minutes. The base is sturdy, which allows my footage to be super steady, and the smart face tracking lens locks onto my face with a simple OK gesture, and then it follows me around smoothly, keeping me centered without the need to constantly readjust my camera's location. It's fully rechargeable, so I don't have any extra cords or batteries to mess around with, and I love how versatile it is. I can use it on my desktop, extend it as a full 71-inch floor tripod, or even switch to using it as a selfie stick with the Bluetooth remote when I need a quick photo or reel. This KamiSafe auto face tracking tripod is one of those tools that you just need to have in your toolkit. And that's my point of view.